just someone that I've learned from, but somebody that I want to be with. You can't be mine on your own time, but if you wanna try.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to another vlog! And today guys ay mag-iimpake na talaga kami. Sabi ko nung mga nakaraang araw na mag-iimpake kami ng Sabado ng gabi. Kaso, maaga kasi namin nagising nung Sabado kasi nga nagsimba kami. Tapos kinagabihan nun, mga 6 PM, pumunta pa kaming Denison para bumili ng yung mga ibang snacks namin, yung mga lulutuin ko na food namin, para may food kami sa sasakyan. At saka pagdating namin sa hotel, kasi may mga request si Mac na gusto niyang kainin, habang nagro-road trip, field trip ito sis. So, pupunta kami doon kagabi, tapos marang nakarating na kami dito, past 8 na. Tapos kumain pa, nagpagawa pa si Mac ng kimbap, tapos nag-sushi kami. So, pagod na pagod kami kagabi, so wala na talagang nakapag-empake. So, ngayon, mag-empake na talaga ako. Prepare ko naman na yung mga snacks namin na iba. Yun yung mga chichirya, mga ano lang. Pero yung sandwich na gusto ni Mac, tsaka yung food na pinapaluto niya, lutuin ko na lang yun the day before ng travel namin. So, yun guys, mag-empake na talaga ako ngayon. Tara sa taas! Mag-empake!
Saw you walking in the street one day with the sun there. You were flowers in the train, you were dancing with your headphones on, thinking that everyone was watching you were moving in the beat, cause swerving in the street just to get a glimpse of you. You were posing for them, yeah, you were strutting for them, cause you know just what you do. So if I never touch you, baby, you should know I'm going crazy. I can't help myself anymore, cause I've been looking for the one and I don't think I found your love, cause things have never been this good before. Cause you're dancing in the corner, you're dancing how you wanna, and I can't help but smile. And then I started to tap my feet in bed, we're moving to the beat, yeah. Summer nights with you and I never thought I would have felt that love I was dreaming of. But my head is over heels and now you got me, and I just can't breathe with you here, babe. And you should know, you can tell me how you feel, put your heart out if it's real. You can dance till 3 in the morning. Don't wanna pretend like I just wanna be friends. So if I'm being honest too, so if I never told you, baby, you should know I'm going crazy. I can't help myself anymore, cause I've been looking for the one and I don't think I found your love, cause things have never been this good before. Cause you're dancing in the corner, you're dancing how you wanna, I can't help but smile. And then I started to tap my feet in bed, we're moving to the beat, yeah. Summer nights with you and I. Honestly, it's such a shame when my friends are getting in the way. I just don't know what to say, cause it's hard for me to walk away. Honestly, it's such a shame when my friends are getting in the way. I just don't know what to say, it's hard for me to walk away. So if I never told you, baby, you should know I'm going crazy. I can't help myself anymore, cause I've been looking for the one and I don't think I
guys, after a few days na po siya and almost ready na kami. Ay, muntik pang hindi matuloy. Nawawala ang passport. At anyway guys, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga na-prepare ko na kanina. Grabe. Alas 11 na ako nakatulog kanina. Magto-12 na. Tas duty pa ako ngayon. Ito na yung mga na-prepare na mga luggage. Ayan. Yung mga nandyan sa taas, yan yung mga gagamitin ko pa bukas. And then, itong maliit na luggage dito na ilalagay ko na lang din yung mga gagamitin ko bukas, yung mga pang skincare and ano dyan. Ito yung luggage na gagamitin ko sa hotel para ito lang yung ibababa namin from the car tomorrow. Tapos dito naman sa baba guys, yung mga ibang pang pasalubong except for the balikbayan box kay Nessie yan. At tapos yung food namin na iba, yung mga snacks lang. And then, camping chair, ilalagay na to ni Mac. Tapos, cooler yan. Ilalagay na tong mga to ni Mac mamaya sa my truck. Kaya, ihatid na daw niya ako mamaya kasi naipasok na niya yung isang sasakyan sa garahe. At, muntik ka pang makalimutan. Yung record player na yung aking father. Ayan. So, yun lang guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Sobrang nakakapagod mag-prepare. Ang hirap kasi ang dami na naming dadalhin kasi nga nakasasakyan kami. Unlike kapag flight, yung luggage mo lang yung dadalhin mo. Ang nakaka-stress lang naman kasi kapag flight naman, yung timbang kasi hindi mo madala lahat ng gusto mo. Pero ngayon, sige, dalhin lahat ng gusto. Pero yun nga lang, ang daming ang daming gamit. May camping chair pa kami, may canopy pa kami na dadalhin. Tapos meron pa kaming sofa na dadalhin. So, nakakatuwa. Anyway, thank you so much everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And mag-proceed na po tayo sa shoutout for this vlog. So yun guys, mag-shoutout lang ako para po sa mga nag-comment sa mga videos namin. Grabe, ito pa lang yung sa Canada na video and papunta na naman kaming Canada. 4 months ago na na-upload ko to. Tagal ko nang hindi ko nakagawa ng shoutout. So, shoutout kay Renz Mia, kay Charlene Ledesma, kay Irene Infante, Snowball, Waki Stolen, Ibrahim Hailil, ang Nurse Marian, kay Abigail Vibal, kay Ronica Berto, Mavi RN, Malu ako, and Princess Mia! Punta naman tayo sa Canada Day 2 na vlog. Shout out kay Maria Jennifer Elpedes, kay DJ Family, Renz Mia, kay Mau at kay Gladys. Finally, umabot na sa vlog na to, Mau. Kay Ibrahim Hailil, kay Frederick Fernandez, kay Ronica Berto, and shout out din kay Malu ako. And then, sa Buns naman na vlog is shout out kay Arnel, kay Renz Mia, Jem Ruiz, Robby, Nilio Sistoso, kay Nurse Photographer, kay DJ Family, Ronica Berto, Ibrahim Hailil, Arnel, Celestres Channel, and then, punta naman tayo sa Canada Day 4, Lake Louise. Ayan. Shout out kay Maria Jennifer Elpedes, Princess Mia, Ronica Berto, Arnel, James OFW, Ibrahim Hailil, and About Karen. And then, sa Canada Day 5 naman, shout out kila Maria Jennifer Elpedes again, Ibrahim Hailil, and Ronica Berto. Ayan lang guys, salamat po sa panonood and excited na ako for tomorrow! Magta-travel kami right after my work. So, liligo lang. Tapos, travel na kami. Yun, guys. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. I hope you continue watching and wait for the vlogs na gagawin namin sa Canada. Salamat! And if you haven't followed me yet on my Instagram and on my Facebook, the name is Joy of Mia. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do subscribe. At i-click nyo na rin ang notification bell button para lagi kayong ma-update whenever I post or I upload the video. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!